Good day to everyone. All of us deep inside, gusto lang naman natin maging masaya. We all want to be happy kahit hindi natin laging sinasabi. Lahat ng ginagawa natin is motivated by that simple desire. We work very hard, we dream very big, we take care of the people we love, all because we are searching for that happiness and peace. But let's be honest, right? Hindi naman laging madali. No matter how hard we try, sometimes things just don't go on our way. We face conflicts, misunderstandings, failures, heartbreaks, or even our own bad habits and weaknesses. These things feel like poison in our lives. They hurt us, they make us suffer, and sometimes they even make us feel hopeless or even afraid. But today, I want to share with you a beautiful teaching from Nichiren Daishonin's Buddhism, specifically from the wisdom of Nichiren Daishonin, and that is, we have the power to change the poison into medicine. What does poison mean? What does this really mean? Let me explain. In this concept, poison refers to all the negative things in our lives. It includes our difficult experiences, our suffering, and even our own negative traits like being selfish, being greedy, being easily scared, or having too much pride. All these things are called poison because normally they only bring pain and hold us back. But medicine refers to wisdom, katalinuhan, strength, lakas ng loob, happiness, kaligayahan, and growth. Ang gamot na ito ay nasa loob natin. Yes, the teaching of the Lotus Sutra tells us something very powerful. This Buddha nature, the ability to be strong, the ability to be wise and compassionate, is all present in every single person. Walang exempted dyan. Kahit sino ka pa, kahit gaano ka pa kahirap, gaano kahirap ang pinagdaraanan mo ngayon, we already possess everything we need inside us. Usually, when problems come, ang natural reaction natin ay umiwas o matakot. We try to run away from challenges because they are uncomfortable. But when we do that, we stay stuck in what we call negative cycle. It goes like this: desires or difficulties, and then wrong reactions, and then bad results, and it ended up with more and more suffering. So how do we do it? So how do we break this cycle and turn poison into medicine? The secret lies not in changing what happens to us, but in changing how we see and respond to what happens. When we face problems with faith in our own great potential, these three amazing qualities naturally come out from within us. Wisdom, ang karunungan. It helps us see clearly instead of seeing only darkness or failure. We understand that every situation has a lesson and a purpose. We gain clarity. We learn what choices will bring real good for us. Courage, lakas ng loob, ang tapang, this gives us the strength to face the difficulties head-on. Hindi na tayo sumusuko kahit gaano pa siya kahirap. We keep moving forward until we find the solution or the breakthrough. Compassion, ang malasakit. No, our pain does not just stay with us because we have suffered. We become more sensitive and caring towards others who are also going through hard times just like us. Our struggle becomes the reason why we can help and inspire and understand people's dilemma. As Sensei Daisaku Ikeda said, to change poison into medicine is to transform even the greatest evil into the greatest good. Hindi ibig sabihin nito na ang masamang karanasan ay maglalaho na parang bula. No, but instead, we actually gain something precious from it. That painful experience will become our strength, will become our story, and our reason to shine even more brighter. Think of it this way: gold becomes beautiful and pure only after it passes through extreme heat and fire. Katulad din natin, our struggles are the fire that purifies us and makes us even stronger and reveals our true greatness. May kasabihan, what never kills us makes us stronger. So, ganun lang talaga yan. The practice and mindset taught here is simple yet life-changing. Sa magitan ng pagchanting ng Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, believing in our own limitless potential, we turn our hardest moments into our greatest achievements. We grow in wisdom. We expand our heart and we live a life that is truly meaningful and victorious. So whatever we are going through right now, please remember this. Ang situation mo ay ang lason, pero ikaw ang may kapangyarihang gawin itong lunas. Your situation may be the poison, but you, not other people, hold the power to turn it into medicine. Believe in yourself, believe in your strength, and turn every challenge into our greatest success story. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay sa ating lahat. Would you like me also to prepare something? So I hope we all get successful with our presentation to our respective district. Maraming salamat po.